In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber Eats customer service. Whether you've encountered an unexpected issue with your order or simply need some assistance, knowing how to smoothly reach out to Uber Eats support can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive right in. Starting off, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.ubereats.com. This will take you to the homepage of Uber Eats. Here you'll find a wide array of culinary delights waiting to be delivered right to your doorstep. But if it's support you need, let's proceed with the next steps. Once the main page is fully loaded, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is essentially a gateway to all the features and settings available to you in the app or on the web. Among these, we've got the Help option, which we're interested in today. Now, after clicking the hamburger icon, you should see various options unfold in front of you. Locate and click on Help. This section is designed to assist with a wide range of inquiries, offering suggestions for common issues and paths to follow for more specific problems. Once you're in the Help section, you'll be presented with a search bar. Here, you can type in keywords related to the issue you're experiencing. For example, if your order is late, you might type in late order. This will bring up relevant articles and suggestions that might offer a quick fix or explanation. Alternatively, if you're not entirely sure what keywords to use or prefer exploring options manually, Uber Eats also provides categorized topics under the Help section. You'll see various potential issues listed there, such as payment problems, missing items, or account issues, among others. Choose the topic that best matches the problem you're facing. Navigating this process is fairly straightforward if you follow these steps. But in case you don't find what you need, or if the suggested solutions don't appear to resolve your issue, there's typically an option to directly contact support. Whether it's via email, chat, or a phone call, reaching out will ensure you get more personalized assistance. Remember, the Uber Eats support team is there to help you. Don't hesitate to use these resources when needed, ensuring your food ordering experience remains as seamless as possible. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or need further guidance on different topics, feel free to reach out.